Welcome back to the podcast. If you're planning a move overseas, you might be surprised to learn that how you pack matters just as much as what you pack. So how do we avoid costly mistakes? Let's break that down. Why are our packing rules so strict? There are 3 primary reasons for international packing regulations. First, custom compliance. Each country has specific rules about what can and cannot enter its borders. These rules protect agriculture, public health, and national security. Mistakes can lead to inspections, fines, or even seizure of goods. 2. Safety regulations. Dangerous goods like aerosols, cleaning agents, and lithium batteries pose real risks during transport, especially air or sea. These need to be identified, isolated, or outright excluded from your shipment. And third, insurance coverage. Here's a surprise for many. If you pack your own boxes, you might void your insurance. Most international insurance policies require professional packing to ensure claims are honored. What makes professional packing compliant? Professional packing isn't just bubble wrap and tape. It includes ISPM 15 certified crates for wood packaging, a global requirement for preventing pest infections. Clear, itemized inventories, which custom officials rely on to process your shipment efficiently. Special handling for high value or fragile items, including custom crates and white glove service. And labeling by material type, especially for electronics, batteries, glass, and liquids. Next, what can you pack in a vehicle? At SDC, we often move cars alongside with household goods, but it's critical to understand what that actually means. You cannot pack your household boxes inside your vehicle. Even though your vehicle is inside a container, customs in most countries prohibit using cars as extra storage. Also, vehicles must be emptied of personal items, fully insured, and occupied by original title or registration, bill of sale, any export documentation. Don't worry, we handle this part. And possible proof of ownership for 6+ months. This is for duty-free clearance in certain countries. Here's how SDC prevents problems before they start. Here's where SDC International Shipping comes in as your trusted guide. From custom packing plans to destination-specific compliances, our teams are trained to get it right the first time. Here's how. We use certified materials and follow international standards. We provide detailed, custom-ready inventories. We offer climate-controlled storage at origin or destination if needed. Our insurance options are fully integrated with our packing process, and we stay current with global custom regulations, so you don't have to. No 2 moves are the same, and no country has the same rules. That's why we tailor every shipment with our in-house experts. And here's some final thoughts. Moving internationally is a big step. Don't let packing mistakes trip you up. Compliance isn't just about checking boxes. It's about protecting your shipment, your investment, and your peace of mind. At SDC International Shipping, we're here to guide you through every detail so you can focus on your new beginning, not custom forms or packing headaches.